All right, guys, what's going on? This is Tech with Obed here, and I just did the unboxing for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I got it in purple this year. I do still have my hold on, guys, give me just a second. I do still have my 12 Pro Max here. I will not be doing an upgrade on the T-Mobile line this year. I will do it next year, but this year I will be doing some testing with AT&T on the 14 Pro Max. Let me just do this. Let me write this out. So, did the unboxing. It was pretty smooth process. No SIM card tray this year. Well, let me just show you guys what was in the box. Give me a second, guys. Pretty much the same thing last year. Let me just put this camera down. Same process last year. Nothing crazy. This box is a little bit tougher to open because of the taping. Taping's still there, actually. I think I actually ripped this box open. Okay, so I'll show you guys what's in here. The taping's still on there. That's why it was hard to open, but same thing last year. Your usual Apple stuff, the contents, sticker, and all that good stuff. So overall, it was a smooth process. Like I said, guys, I'm still gonna be doing some testing. The dynamic island is so pretty. I really love it. Probably one of the best features on this phone, by far. And of course there is satellite calling, but I'll show you guys the phone one more time. But it's pretty, looks great. It is a great phone, really fast. I just opened it, so I got it on AT&T, as you guys can see. Sorry for the lighting, guys. It's really bright. But overall, a great phone to have. If you're looking for a new phone in the market, I will try to get a case for it. But overall, I like the phone. It's great. I'll do more testing as time goes on. Other than that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel at Tech with Obed, and I will be doing more videos like this in the near future. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.